Hi guys, for today's video, baba tayo ng transmission. Alit tayo ng clutch disc sa pressure plate. Tapos release bearing guys. Manipis na yung kanyang clutch disc guys. Papalitan na rin natin ng belt guys. Drive belt. May crack na guys. Mitsubishi Garage. So ito yung ipapalitan din guys na bagong clutch disc saka pressure plate. Papalitan na rin natin ng gear oil. So ayun guys, nakabit na natin yung buong transmission, pati yung mga bracket, kaya yung mga battery guys nakabit natin. So yung CB dyan nakabit natin yung gulong guys. So ready for testing na lang to guys. So bye bye na guys, thank you for watching.